Now, which of the following are true? North Koel River passes through Betla National Park in Jharkhand. North Koel River is a tributary of Son, which is in turn a tributary of Ganga. Son River originates from Amarkantak Plateau, from where Narmada River also originates. So these three statements are true, but this Auranga and Amanata tributaries of Narmada, it is wrong. Okay, it's actually a tributary of the same North Koel which we are studying here. Okay, so North Koel, already South Koel related one question when we are discussing this Brahmani, Baitarani rivers, we already discussed, okay, in a previous question. So North Koel we have to study now, Son you have to study, Narmada you have to study. Okay, so I don't know whether we have put that map here. That will be in a different question. Okay, Narmada and Son is actually one question. This statement was a question in UPSC once. Okay, this exact statement. That time it was asked like two rivers start from a particular point and one goes towards west and falls into the Arabian Sea, and one goes to north and touches the Ganga River. So from which point does it start? Okay, so that time the answer was Amarkantak. Okay, and the rivers two are Son River and Narmada River, because from here Narmada starts and go to the West Bengal, goes to the western side and go to Arabian Sea and falls. And the Son River starts from the same point, but it will go right side and go upwards and go and touch the Ganga River. Okay, so that is why this Son, which is in turn a tributary of Ganga, this is also correct. Okay, and North Koel is a tributary of this Son itself. Okay, and it passes through the Betla National Park in Jharkhand. And these two are the tributaries of North Koel, Auranga and Amanat. Now, North Koel rises on the Ranchi Plateau in Jharkhand. After flowing nearly due west for 32 kilometers, it turns north and at almost complete right angles through a gorge at Kutku, and it falls into the Son a few miles northwest of this thing. So it's a proper geography they have given. That much detailing you don't have to know. It rises on the Ranchi and it will go in the northern direction. Okay, that much only you have to know, and fall into the Son because it's a tributary of Son. From its source junction, this much kilometer, that and all if you want you can read. Now, mention may be made of metamorphic rocks from which the watershed between the North Koel and the Damodar to the west, and this road is there, and along with its tributaries meanders through the northern part of Betla National Park, which is in Jharkhand. Okay, and principal tributaries are Auranga and Amanat. Another tributary is this Burha, okay, which joins the North Koel above Kutku at this particular place. So just remember these names. Auranga, Amanat and Burha are tributaries of North Koel, and North Koel is in turn a tributary of Son, and Son is again a tributary of Ganga. Okay, there is some project also going on, a dam project is going on, Kutku Dam, and here within the core area of this Palmau Tiger Reserve. Okay, so here Palmau Tiger Reserve is here, Aurangabad is here, Gaya is here. So places in and around Jharkhand you can just go through. Okay, Jharkhand was once a part of Bihar. Okay, capital of Bihar is Patna and capital of Jharkhand is Ranchi.